Top 5 Chinese zodiac signs most likely to become rich, and what you can learn from them. What if your personality, not your background, was the real key to getting rich? According to ancient Chinese astrology, some zodiac signs are naturally wired for wealth. But here's the twist. Even if you're not one of them, you can still copy their habits. Let's break down the top 5 zodiac signs most likely to become rich and how you can use their secrets. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about how to build wealth, grow income, and level up your financial life. If you're serious about getting rich, hit that subscribe button because we break down success into simple steps. Number 1. Pig. Years: 1959, 1971, 1983, 1995, 2007, 2019. Pigs are considered the luckiest when it comes to money. They often attract wealth without struggling as much as others. But here's the real lesson. Pigs succeed because they stay calm, avoid stress, and don't chase money desperately. Wealth takeaway: stop forcing everything. Focus on consistency and let opportunities come to you. Number 2. Horse. Years: 1954, 1966, 1978, 1990, 2002, 2014. Horses don't rely on luck. They rely on hard work and discipline. They hustle, they grind, and they don't quit. Their secret? They believe effort equals results, and they act on it daily. Wealth takeaway: no shortcuts. If you want money, you need skills plus effort plus consistency. Number 3. Rat. Years: 1948, 1960, 1972, 1984, 1996, 2008. Rats are smart, strategic, and resourceful. They find ways to make money, even in tough situations. Their advantage: they think differently and spot opportunities others miss. Wealth takeaway: learn to think creatively. The richest people don't follow the crowd. They outthink it. Number 4. Snake. Years: 1953, 1965, 1977, 1989, 2001, 2013. Snakes are masters of money management. They don't just earn, they keep and grow their wealth. Their power: they make smart decisions and often benefit from partnerships. Wealth takeaway: making money is one thing. Keeping and multiplying it is what makes you rich. Number 5. Monkey. Years: 1956, 1968, 1980, 1992, 2004, 2016. Monkeys are networking geniuses. They build connections, and those connections bring opportunities. Their edge: they always stay one step ahead and adapt quickly. Wealth takeaway: your network equals your net worth. Build relationships, and money will follow. So here's the truth. It's not about your zodiac sign. It's about your habits, mindset, and actions. Take the best traits from each sign. Stay calm like pig. Work hard like horse. Think smart like rat. Manage money like snake. Network like monkey. Do that, and wealth becomes inevitable. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe for more content on how to get rich and stay rich. And comment below, what's your zodiac sign?